Secon Power is a professional global brand specializing in new energy charging equipment and integrated energy solutions. We deliver reliable, efficient, and intelligent charging infrastructure to boost the development of global electric mobility. Our brand name carries a unique dual-core meaning. Firstly, Secon originates from the word second, positioned as the second power alongside solar, wind, and other clean energy sources. We act as a vital bridge connecting green energy and future transportation, building a fully sustainable energy ecosystem for modern mobility and industrial upgrading. Secondly, our name stands for our core product advantage. Secon Power, charge in seconds, power up instantly. The prefix second represents ultra-fast charging speed, interpreting our persistent pursuit of efficient energy replenishment. Meanwhile, it symbolizes security and stability. Every charging connection is strictly tested. To ensure safe, stable, and worry-free operation in all scenarios, we focus on the independent R&D, standardized manufacturing, and global one-stop services of EV charging equipment. All our products have passed rigorous performance and safety tests, which you can see in the professional test footage just now. From our standardized production workshop, you can see our full range of product layouts. We cover portable charging devices for personal use, AC alternating current chargers for commercial and daily scenarios, as well as high-power DC direct current fast chargers for public and engineering projects. With complete product lines, high compatibility, and durable quality, we provide customized, safe, and high-efficiency charging solutions for global operators, commercial projects, and public charging scenarios. Always rooted in quality and driven by technology, Secon Power keeps polishing every product with precise manufacturing and strict testing. We keep empowering the global electric transportation industry with sustainable, reliable, and cost-effective energy charging solutions.